Echinococcus multilocularis, a name that might sound unfamiliar yet it represents a silent threat. This tapeworm, a master of disguise, lurks into the shadows. A story complex tapestry of survival, infection, and resilience. Its existence is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth, where the fate of a tiny parasite can intertwine with our own. This video delves into the world of Echinococcus multicularis, exploring its biology, its impact on hosts, and the strategies to combat its spread. Our journey will take us from the parasite's microscopic world to its global footprint, shedding light on its intricate life cycle and the challenges it poses to human health. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of this elusive parasite, gaining insights into its strategies for survival and the ways we can protect ourselves from its insidious grasp. Global footprint. Echinococcus multilocularis has a wide distribution spanning across the northern hemisphere. Its presence is predominantly felt in the northern parts of Europe, Asia, and North America. While it thrives in specific regions, its range is not static. Global warming, changing wildlife populations, and human activities are influencing its spread. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for predicting and managing future outbreaks. The parasite's prevalence varies significantly within affected regions, influenced by factors like the presence of suitable hosts and environmental conditions. This highlights the importance of localized surveillance and control efforts. Habitats of a silent threat. Echinococcus multilocularis thrives in environments where its life cycle can seamlessly unfold. Forests, meadows, and grasslands teeming with rodents has become prime locations for this parasite to complete its complex journey. Rodents, particularly voles, serve as intermediate hosts harboring the larval stage of the parasite. Foxes, the definitive hosts, play a critical role by shedding the parasite's eggs into the environment, continuing the cycle. Human activities such as agriculture and urbanization can alter this ecosystem, influencing the parasite's distribution and increasing the risk of human exposure. Understanding these ecological interactions is vital for effective prevention strategies. Invasion and impact. The journey of Echinococcus multilocularis begins with its eggs shed by infected foxes into the environment. These microscopic capsules, resilient to harsh conditions, lie in wait for a suitable host. Once ingested by an intermediate host, typically a rodent, the eggs hatch, releasing oncospheres. These larvae burrow through the intestinal wall, embarking on a journey to the liver, their primary target. In the liver, the oncospheres develop into the metacestodes, forming parasitic cysts that slowly expand. These cysts, filled with protoscolesis, represent the infectious stage for the definitive host, the fox. The body fights back. The human body, when invaded by Echinococcus multilocularis, mounts a complex defense. The immune system, recognizing the parasite as a foreign entity, launches an attack. Immune cells like macrophages and lymphocytes converge on the developing cyst, attempting to contain the parasite spread. This immune response is a double-edged sword, contributing to both tissue damage and parasite control. The outcome of this battle depends on various factors, including the parasite burden, the host immune competence, and the stage of infection. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for developing effective treatment strategies. Unveiling the hidden enemy. Unveiling the presence of Echinococcus multilocularis is a challenge. The parasite, often asymptomatic in its early stages, can silently reside in the liver for years before symptoms manifest. Diagnosis relies on a combination of approaches, including imaging techniques like ultrasound, CT scans, and MRI, which can reveal the telltale cyst with the liver. Serological tests detecting antibodies against the parasite offer another line of evidence. These tools, combined with the patient's history and clinical presentation, help clinicians piece together the puzzle of diagnosis. Combating the parasite. Combating Echinococcus multilocularis demands a multifaceted approach tailored to the stage and severity of the infection. Surgery, often the first line of defense, aimed to remove the parasitic cyst, preventing further growth and complications. Chemotherapy, using drugs like albendazole plays a crucial role in shrinking cysts before surgery or managing inoperable cases. These drugs, targeting the parasite's metabolism, hinder its growth and survival. Recent advances in drug development and minimally invasive surgical techniques offer hope for more effective and less invasive treatment options. Continued research is crucial for improving patients' outcomes and reducing the burden of these parasitic diseases. Prevention, a shared responsibility. Preventing Echinococcus multilocularis infections requires a concerted effort encompassing both individual actions and community level interventions. Education is paramount, raising awareness about the parasite's life cycle, transmission routes, and preventive measures. Personal hygiene, particularly hand washing after contact with animals or soil, is crucial for breaking the chain of infection. Careful handling of food and water, ensuring their cleanliness, minimizes the risk of ingesting parasite eggs. Controlling fox populations through measures like deworming campaigns is essential for reducing environmental contamination with parasite eggs. These efforts, combined with responsible pet ownership practices, contribute to significantly to minimizing human exposure. In conclusion, Echinococcus multicularis, a silent threat, navigates a complex life cycle, weaving its way through ecosystem and impacting human health. Understanding its biology, transmission patterns, and the body's response is crucial for combating this parasitic disease. Diagnosis, often a race against time, relies on a combination of imaging, serological tests, and clinical expertise. Treatment. A multi-phase approach encompasses surgery, chemotherapy, and emerging therapies. Prevention, a shared responsibility, hinges on education, personal hygiene, and community level interventions. By embracing these strategies, we can curtail the parasite spread and protect ourselves from its insidious grasp.